Well, hey guys, thought I'd bring you out and show you what I've been playing with lately. I haven't made a video in a long time. Past couple years, my backyard's been overgrown with berries, and I just haven't done any. I haven't had the, I've been sick, so I haven't had the energy to get out here and take care of them. But under the shed, for the last, 20 years, I've had this old dozer. It's a mead mightymouse. It's supposed to be a front end loader type. But anyway, I made a bunch of repairs to it back then, had the gas motor running, and I drove it around, and it sort of worked. I never really got into it and got finished. But I started thinking about these blackberries, and wouldn't it be cool to have a dozer to just kind of run into them and break all the what's it called, the roots and stuff, just kind of pull them over, and then I can get out with a lawnmower and just run the crap over later. So I thought, well, how would I do it? So I modified this dozer a little bit. I made some sprockets, some aluminum sprockets, and then added this part of the wheelchair, added that to the gear that was it was kind of a clutch that disengaged the clutch and then had a brake. So I modified that, made another gear for the front. It's on the wheelchair motors. These are 2 wheelchair motors, and so I made the sprockets for the front and rear that it's 10 tooth or 12 tooth, and 25 tooth. And if I have room, if I have a little, I do, I have probably about an inch more I could go on diameter. I'd like to make a bigger one, just to have a little more power. But anyway, I let the gear, this is the gearbox that the gas motor would run a chain that would turn that sprocket over there. And I left that on just to give this gear support, so it wouldn't be working on it so hard. But anyway, I bought a couple batteries. I went to Interstate Battery, and they had blemish batteries. Maybe they're old, or they needed to be charged. They've been sitting on the shelf too long. But anyway, I bought a couple batteries, $28 a piece. They seemed to be working good enough for what I'm doing. I didn't want to get crazy on expensive batteries and then find out that this wasn't going to work. So anyway, there's the old, when I was building my RC lawnmowers, that's part of the box, the battery box. It has the brains in it and stuff, the speed controller and all that's built in there. And so I just kind of set that down in there in the hole, and it doesn't go anywhere. Eventually I'm going to make some sheet metal battery box covers and stuff and cover this, because this will fill up with junk. I'll show you when I'm running it. But yeah, let's turn it on and I'll show you it driving. But it does a pretty good job of smashing down the blackberries. I'm going to let it boot. There we go. We'll get over here and pick that battery box cover right up. kind of hard to drive with one hand, but yeah, just get in here and smash these all down. I don't know what that is. Flat is what it is. Sorry, I have a real hard time driving with